दुसरो जो विषय तो ओडीपींचो आणि एक तुम्ही काय टफ डिसिजन्स घेतल्यात बट नाव यू आर ऑल्सो ब्रिंगिंग इन मोर काइंड ऑफ कॉपरेशन फ्रॉम दी chairmans of the PDAs. तुम्ही कालही म्हळें की you are taking them on board in preparing ODPs. So what is your thought process on that and what has changed?
हांव जेन्ना मंत्री जालो तेन्ना मंत्री जावन जे हांवें इलिगॅलिटीज पळयल्ले आसा ते इलिगॅलिटीज खूब प्रमाणात आतां वास्कोचे बी आमचे वी आर एग्जामिनींग, दे आर कमिटीज एग्जामिनींग. सो बेसिकली हे सगळ्यो गोश्टी आनी बाकीचे खुबशे ODP ड्राफ्ट स्टेजीचेर आशिल्ल्यो ह्यो आमी आतां वेवस्थीत परत आमकां जर रिलूक करूंक जाय, कन्सल्टंट ऑन बोर्डिंग करूंक जाय. त्याच बरोबर आमी आतां सगळे स्टेक होल्डर्साक हांवें तुमकां ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आसा ऑन बोर्ड घेतल्या. तेन्ना हांवें थरयल्लें की पयले थोडे 2-3 म्हयने हे सगळे म्हाका चवकशी वेवस्थीत करून दी. आमी चेअरमन्स कडेन उलयल्ले आसा ते नवीन आहा. हांवें आमचे मॅडम जेनिफर मनसरात कडेन बी उलयलां, हांवें दाजी साळकारा कडेन बी उलयलां. जॉशुआ इज अ यंग चेअरमन ऑफ द मार्मोगोवा PDA. थंय बी तांकां प्रॉब्लम्स आहा. वास्कोच्या लोकांक प्रॉब्लम आहा कारण नेवीचो NOCचो विशय आयिल्लो आसा जेजे खातीर इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू एनी कायंड ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट एंड प्लॅनिंग. आनी जे आयजचे प्रोजेक्ट्स आहा कंप्लिशन सर्टिफिकेट दिता पण तेजे रिविजन ऑफ प्लॅन विदाउट रिविजन ऑल्सो यू वॉन्ट टू रिन्युअला खातीर बी यू हॅव टू टेक अ नेवल NOC which we have to make a proper representation to the authorities that you have to give freedom. You cannot just take everything as a buffer. Ultimately that is a Marmugao Taluka and Marmugao people also have a right. Everything if you say that you take a particular NOC and पण ते सगळे गोष्टी इंटरप्रिटेशन आय हॅव टू स्टील रीड. बट एक लक्षात घ्या की हांकां ऑन बोर्ड घेतल्यार दे विल ऑल्सो अंडरस्टँड हाऊ वी वॉन्ट टू मूव फॉरवर्ड अँड इट इज नेसेसरी. दे आर द चेअरमन्स ऑफ द ऑथॉरिटी. It is my duty to see that I onboard them. I have already set the course in a particular direction that your sagre areas.
You are saying even if they are on board, they have to follow your vision.
No, it is not Vishwajit Rane's vision. No, they are also there. They also have got suggestions and ideas. But one thing is certain is that the officer concerned has been already directed. All the chairmen, they are chairmen of the authority. But at the moment, after cleaning up whatever we have cleaned up now, still we have given another 60 days. But I am filing an affidavit along with 16B. Is that we have already done all this rectification. This rectification normally you would have not seen anybody doing rectification, but under section 40 we have done the rectification, and under section 132 we will be keeping this open for 60 days where if any correction has been done and somebody finds that something is not as per what they feel is done, they have a right to come and appeal to the board, and accordingly the board can take it. This will be not done by me. I am the chairman of the board, but that the committee also will be part of it. And त्याच बरोबर I want to make a mention to you is that we have taken nominees even on the PDAs, and the chairmans when pertaining to that ODP, even if it is being done by the town planning board, they will also be a part of it. And it is important for them to see this process that is being followed, because for the first time this is being followed, and I am confident that with their support and with what we want to do, we all will be thinking on the same platform.
एक प्रश्न जो काल आयला तो मैं परत ये ODP ओपन करता, chairman change जाता, ओपन करता.
ना,
you came up with a suggestion. You did not make a very concrete statement.
No, I don't want to make a concrete statement.
You came up with a suggestion कि 5 वर्षां looks like a very
workable
time, workable.
Now the original,
so are you, because you need to act on it. सध्या कसे चालना की आले chairmanच्या मनात सध्या चालू आहे.
ना, I agree. Alex Sequeira had taken this. Mr. Alex Sequeira तो विषय मांडलो कि, and also the town planning act says in a period of 10 years. I mean, there's no
at least once in 10 years.
Once in 10 years. So the wording is very clear. Once in 10 years. So it can be once, twice, thrice. But what I feel, that's what I'm saying. That there has to be some clause. Suppose a person does a ODP for 5 years. Okay, I finish the ODP you finish the ODP within a period of 1 year. And that remains frozen for the next 4 years. Then what happens if somebody comes in the middle and wants to take up some construction activity? Or you cannot stop the process. Sometimes it is very good.
You did not open the entire ODP.
No.
सध्या एंटायर ODP ओपन करपाचे प्रकार चालले.
तुमच्याकडे प्रोविजन ना ते अर्धे ODP ओपन करपाक, काय आपण इतलेच एरिया आपण घेतलो काय कोणा खातीर बिल्डिंग एक बांधपाक तितकीच एरिया आम्ही घेऊ शकता, तसे नसता ते.
बरोबर, बट एंटायर ODP ओपन जाता.
एंटायर ODP आयज तुम्ही परिस्थिती पळया न्ही, गोंया राज्यात तुम्ही जर पळयल्यार खंयी गेल्यार जायते लोकांचे बिल्डिंग कन्स्ट्रक्शन, घरां मोडून नवी घरां बांदपाची त्यांची इच्छा असता. ह्यो सगळे लहान गोष्टी असतात, पण केन्ना केन्ना त्यांची झोन जर वेगळी असली, दे वूड लायक टू बिल्ड. समटायम्स यू फायंड दॅट फॅमिलीज वॉन्ट टू बिल्ड नाव, लिव्ह इन, bifurcate themselves into various units, and they build a building also. So basically there is thought process. I have made a mention in the house. What Alex said had a lot of meaning. बट त्याचबरोबर आमचे चेअरमन्स ऑफ द ऑथॉरिटी आहा तांकां बी बरोबर घेवन, सेक्रेटरी आमचो पुनीत गोयल आहा ताका बरोबर घेवन, क्रीडायच्या लोकांक बरोबर घेवन खंय तरी एक मध्यस्थ क्रीडायचो विचार बी घेवचो पडटलो, बिकॉज दे आर द पीपल हू आर कॅरिंग आउट दीज बिल्डींग एक्टिविटीज. त्याच बरोबर चेंबर आनी CII कितें म्हणटा तेंचो विचार आयकपाची गरज आहा. आय युनिलॅटरली डोंट वॉन्ट टू टेक दीस डिसिजन, बट येस देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ लॉजिक, but there is a lot of meaning.
But एक broad framework जाय
broad framework that within a specific period, and what is these reasons for which you want to ODP that also have to be explained.
Absolutely.
When you want to make a new ODP.
It cannot be arbitrary.
No. So these all aspects will be looked into now, and I will be calling my chairmans for all the board meetings and all, so that they can be, even if they are not my, I don't need to call them, because they must also know, they also are legislators. They also are experienced people. Whatever it is, they have got their own experience. Joshua is a 2-time legislator. Jennifer is, I think, for 4th time. Then you have Daji Sarkar, who has been in this line. But it is important that you take them on board when you are trying to do some major thing. We, as a department, along with the authorities, need to work in tandem with each other. And I am on record. I want to make a mention is that I want to restore them more. I initially given it only to the member secretary, because I have understood now. See, you must understand, म्हाका एकूच सांगूंक जाय गोंयचे जनतेक की हांव नवीन आशिल्लो, पयली फावट TCP मिनिस्टर जाला, पयली फावट फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टर जाला, पयली फावट अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट, आनी हेल्थ आनी वुमन एंड चायल्ड प्रॉब्लम कांयच ना, कित्याक हे पयली फावट गोंयच्या इतिहासान 11 वर्सां एकूच हेल्थ मिनिस्टर
अशें केन्ना कोणी पयली फावट नवीन आसता, वी एक्सपेक्ट देम टू प्ले लायक पुजारा. You suddenly went and started playing like Rishabh Pant. That's why it was a surprise.
It is very important sometimes to start cleaning up. What you can do initially in your first 3 months, you cannot do after your 3 months. Because it is important for you to start putting from day one, whatever the systems, तुमकां कितें दिसता की परसेप्शन वायज गोंयची जनतेची अपेक्षा कितें आहा, गोंयची जनतेन जायते पळयलें आसा. TCP मिनिस्टर म्हणल्यार TCP मिनिस्टर म्हणल्यार पयले 10 गाळयो पडटा पयलीं, बाबा हेणी केले आसतले पयशे, पण कितें आसता तशें नासता तें. प्रत्येक मनशाक पयशाची आशा नासता. My father had given me one advice. He said, you should do politics in such a way that you are able to sleep peacefully in the night. At least I can sleep peacefully. I get good sleep in the night. I don't owe anything to anybody. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट कितें आहा की जें कितें म्हाका जेन्ना खटकलें, एकूच गोष्ट आशिल्ली की जेन्ना तुमी सॉल्ट पॅन्स आणि त्याच बरोबर तुम्ही सगळे खजान लँड बी सगळे गोष्टी तुम्ही कन्वर्ट करून सोडटा, म्हणजे गोंय उरतलें कशें? आमी गोंय उरोंक जाय म्हणून जायते आमी असेंब्लीन भाशणां दिता, पण खऱ्या अर्थान जर गोवा उरोंक जाय तर नॉन डेव्हलपमेंट स्लोप ग्रीन कवर बी म्हणून आमी एक सायडीक ग्रीन कवर आमी